I started Everything Auto to provide great service at a great price for the entire community and offer dealership-level services. At Everything Auto, we find it important to explain every detail to the customer.
We talked, he told me what needed to be done, gave me prices, made sure that I was comfortable with it, and at the dealership, you're just a number.
There's nothing that Everything Auto couldn't do that a dealership could.
Other shops don't want to handle certain jobs. We do all work on all makes and models.
I was actually having issues with a problem on my car, and I went to like 10 different places, so I brought him here, and they fixed it first try as soon as I walked in.
Just getting the personal touch makes a big difference.
We treat every car like it's our own car.
He's here to make a customer, a long-time customer.
It makes me feel good that someone actually cares as much as I do about my car.
I feel like being at Everything Auto is like being with family.
The quality of service, the friendship you build at the place, it's like a mom and pop shop.
They will do everything in their power to diagnose your car properly the first time, get it fixed correctly the first time, and get you underway for a minimum amount of money invested back in your vehicle.
Come see for yourself, and immediately you notice a difference.
At Everything Auto, we prove no job is impossible.